China.
This is very creative, very innovative. I'm sure we can, support this initiative in Ekiti. You create market.
All right.
Yeah. It's very wonderful, very fine. Thank you, the management of Baodeb-Technologies, for bringing this kind of creative market to the Ekiti economy. Let's go, this fine. Let's build this trend in the southwest Nigeria. I'm happy to be here. See this happening here today. Okay. I'll show you of government support. You will be supported to produce more of this so they can create market for the state, Nigeria, and even Southwest in particular. Thank you for this. I'm happy to be here today. Thank you.